Okay, we're going to demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You actually have two fuse boxes, but we're working just one of the fuse boxes that's located under the hood and right behind your car battery. Right here, if I zoom in, you can clearly see right there you will have a fuse box. That's the cover, guys, that if you open, you have a fuse box that will look just like that. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the dash cigarette lighter fuse, where it's located. Before we continue, guys, you have multiple fuses and relays, different kinds that are Ford specific or really hard to find in small towns. They could be really overpriced and expensive at the parts stores, especially small towns. So instead of being stuck in the middle of nowhere, keep some spares in your glove box, guys. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse that we need to check, if you come in that row of fuses right here, guys, okay, that very bottom fuse is for the dash cigarette lighter right here, that 20 amp fuse, guys.